The skies over the Central Plains turned ominous Thursday evening, setting the stage for what became a relentless barrage of severe weather impacting millions across Nebraska and Iowa. What began as a forecasted storm threat quickly transformed into a full-scale severe weather outbreak, unleashing large tornadoes, destructive winds, and baseball to softball-sized hail.
Oh, it's coming up. Wonder where it's hitting. Yeah, they've got it over there on the TV. Mm-hmm.
As the sun dipped below the horizon, sirens echoed across Omaha, Bennington, Elkhorn, and surrounding communities. Residents hurried to basements and shelters as reports of rotating supercells began lighting up weather radars.
All right, the tornado siren went off. It went from a warning to now a warning. We are to take cover now.
Yeah.
Our hamburgers are in the fucking grill.
Bad.
Oh, here comes the hail. They're talking baseball size.
At Epley Airfield in Omaha, operations were briefly suspended as passengers and staff took cover. Although the city itself was spared the worst, northern Douglas County and areas just outside the metro were not as fortunate.
Holy shit! There's a sighting on the house. Oh my god!
Look at the sighting on the house, Chelsea.
Oh my god!
And Ty, fuck did all that come from?
Everything is ruined.
Everything.
outside. Everything.
Oh my god.
When our bedroom window is in it. Oh my God.
The National Weather Service had warned this would be a dangerous day. More than 1 million people were placed in a level 3 out of 5 severe weather risk zone by the Storm Prediction Center. Those warnings proved prescient. Storm chasers, including Brandon Kopix and Corey Gherkin with Fox Weather, were already in place when a tornado formed over Missouri Valley, Iowa, carving a path across the open plains as it intensified.
Holy Toledo's. Oh, caramba.
There's a piece of hail. There's another one.
Oh, this is a nice big one. Look at that.
They've been out here for a few minutes. Oh wow, look at this. So they're already starting to melt down. That's a good one. There's some more, just kind of all over. Ooh, here's a big one.
Oh, that's a good size.
Someone left their ping pong balls in my front yard.
Just west of Omaha, winds exceeding 80 miles per hour ripped through eastern Nebraska. In towns like Schuyler and North Bend, the wind kicked up thick dust clouds, resembling scenes from the Dust Bowl. Visibility dropped to near zero, forcing drivers off Highway 30 and creating hazardous travel conditions. Some storm spotters even likened it to a gustnado, a swirling wall of wind and debris that danced across the highway.
Oh.
Squirrel. Very squirrel. Or get to your tree.
As darkness fell, the situation grew even more serious. Near Tabor and Essex, Iowa, a large tornado emerged under the cover of night. Radar imagery and visual reports confirmed the presence of a strong cone-to-wedge shaped twister. Lightning illuminated the vortex in haunting flashes. The National Weather Service issued a rare tornado emergency, indicating a particularly dangerous situation. Power poles were snapped in two. Roads were littered with debris. Hundreds of customers lost power, especially in Fremont and Page counties. Search and rescue teams were dispatched as first responders combed through the darkness, looking for anyone possibly trapped beneath the wreckage. Further south, in Cass and Lancaster counties, storm spotters confirmed multiple tornadoes, while wind gusts left structural damage and hail destroyed property. Softball-sized hail shattered car windshields and damaged rooftops. It was one of the most significant hail events in recent memory for parts of eastern Nebraska. In Bennington, a tornado narrowly missed a residential neighborhood, leaving a trail of downed trees, fencing, and scattered debris. Near Manly and Randolph, structures sustained roof damage, and emergency crews worked overnight to clear roadways and check on residents. The Douglas County Sheriff's Office issued public warnings to avoid the stretch between 72nd Street and 78th Street from Omaha Trace to Dutch Hall Road due to multiple downed lines and home damage. Fortunately, no fatalities were reported as of early Friday morning, though dozens of homes sustained some form of impact.
At least we know we're going the opposite direction of the storm. Fine, just keep going. Okay, get under this underpass.
I'm trying. There's a door.
Jeez, this is crazy.
By midnight, more than 1,200 customers were without power, with outages stretching across Douglas, Dodge, and Washington counties. Utility crews worked into the early morning hours, restoring power to the hardest-hit communities.
Oh, look at this show is forming, huh? Huh? What the fuck?
That motherfucker look crazy on the phone.
Yeah. 14K, huh? Damn, what you think it's about to do?
I don't know. I hope it don't roll into a damn tornado. Stupid ass.
Every time for
In total, tornadoes were confirmed in several counties across both states, including Douglas, Cass, Dodge, and Washington, in Nebraska and Fremont, Mills, Page, and Montgomery in Iowa. Though the full extent of the damage is still being surveyed, the scope of this outbreak will likely be remembered for years to come.
It's crazy. Where do we go to if it drops?
Back in there.
Where do we go to? Do you think, is that how they form?
Yeah.
At some point,
It just gotta fall or something?
Yeah, that thing keep going. And you see all this shit is twisted into that motherfucker.
they're sucking down like this.
And then there ain't no clouds around there, huh?
Oh, it's just these.
Oh my God.
Man, I'm trying to send you this damn picture. You
Look
said
at-
what?
Looking ahead, weather officials urge residents to remain weather aware. While the storms are expected to weaken heading into the weekend, unsettled weather could still impact Easter Sunday plans. Rain chances are likely, though severe weather is not currently expected.
It's moving so fast, too.
The events of Thursday night were a stark reminder of just how quickly the skies can turn violent across Tornado Alley. As meteorologists continue to review radar data and survey damage, one thing is clear: the 2025 storm season has arrived with a vengeance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.